Hi you guys, it's me, Be-Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So before we jump into the video, I just have to come in and say thank you to all the new subscribers that have joined my beehive. I really appreciate you guys. You have no idea. And because of that, in my next video that I'm going to be posting a very short giveaway video. So we're going to do a giveaway for our 1,300 subscribers mark. Woo-hoo! You guys, I am so grateful to each and every one of you. And since we have some new little bees up in here, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Adrienne. I am a stay-at-home mom of 3 beautiful children, and this channel is all about having fun, playing with makeup, unboxings, challenges, cooking videos, like just fun, really. I just want to have a good time. This is mainly for fun for me. It's a hobby. You know, if I have some free time, I love to make videos. I'm a very artistic, creative person, and this is a great outlet for me. So I hope you guys enjoy and check out my other videos if you haven't already. So with that set aside, let's get into the video. This is a bittersweet video. Oh gosh. It's the last Boxy Charm Premium box before the transition, before it changes, because I think they're going to change their packaging. And I mean, I know they're changing like the names of the boxes slightly. So if you guys don't already know, Boxy Charm is a monthly beauty subscription service, which is now transferring over to Ipsy, which is also a monthly beauty box bag service. And so the transition, it's a little scary, I'm not gonna lie, because I've had Ipsy in the past. I actually recently resubscribed just to see how it's gonna be, which I'll do some videos on that, and we'll see if I keep that subscription. But yeah, so check out Ipsy, check out Boxy Charm. All the information's on their website, Instagram, and whatnot. So let's get into the first item in the box was the Grown Alchemist Balancing Rose and Ginseng Chamomile Toner. It's supposed to be a refreshing, invigorating toner with an instant lift and radiant glow. Leaves face soft and clean, balancing the skin. This retails for $36, and I'm all about toners. I'm all about skincare. I love skincare. I love makeup. So yeah. And okay, I thought this was going to be glass, and it's not. This is actually a plastic bottle. I'm wondering why it's dark. Typically with, for example, oils, certain skincare items, you need to put them in a darker bottle just to preserve the product itself. So I'm wondering if that has anything to do with that. So the next item is the Nuco Super Thick Scalp Serum. I cannot read. Oh my god, for the life of me. This was another one of my choice items. This retails for $45. I'm just glancing. I'm like, oh my gosh. This product is for hair that is thinning or regularly sheds. Don't we all shed? I don't know. That seems a little silly. This topical scalp supplement in the form of a serum is designed to reduce hair shedding and build thicker hair with more body. 90% said that their hair is stronger and thicker after 90 days of use. Before washing, massage into the scalp while dry 2 to 3 times per week. So then we have the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. Ooh, eye serums, let me tell you. And I love this brand too. So, okay, yeah. I just had to make sure I got the right one. So this is it here. This is supposed to prevent and reduce the look of wrinkles all around the eyes, including the lids. Okay. With this patented technology for potent yet gentle results, all ages and sensitive skin welcome. Thank you, Lord, because I have sensitive skin. This helps minimize the signs of aging you can see and the ones that you can't yet. This provides 24 hours of hydration, reduces dryness as it instantly brightens, delivers instant dose of retinol over time to minimize irritation and prolong benefits. $89, you guys, for this. Holy, I mean, I know this brand is expensive. I like their vitamin C dark spot serum. That works, and it's also for well, they have one for acne, but the vitamin C one works just as good. That one was $60. I don't know how much it is now. So yeah, I'm so glad that we have this. Uma Beauty, I don't know if I'm saying that right, forgive me. Badass Icon Matte Lipstick. Okay, I like a lipstick. Is it a liquid though? All the color, all the attitude. A badass simply is a badass. Yeah, okay, I like that. Make the ultimate lip statement with this concentrated, highly pigmented, lightweight lipstick. This sensually silky texture glides on lips and leave behind a stunning color with just one stroke. 100% vegan, retails for $24. Okay, if it's not a liquid, I'm gonna be so upset. I mean, it doesn't say liquid, so it might not be. It might be a stick. Oh, I see it's round. Hold on. Oh, I am so frustrated. And this is a red. I got the shade Diana. Ooh, Dirty Diana. That's what sorry. I like that it's a white little packaging. It's super cute. Let's see. Oh, it looks so pretty. Look at that shade, you guys. I'm so bummed. I would never use this. This is going in a giveaway, my giveaway drawer. Oh, wait. Oh, it's magnetic. Oh my gosh. I love that. It's like a little magnetic thing. But yeah, no, this is going to go in a giveaway, so I'm not going to swatch that. Very pretty. The Ciate London Dewy Blush. The fact that it says Dewy Blush alone throws me off. I'm an oily skin type. I don't use cream products for contour or highlighters, blushes, none of that. So this is definitely going to go automatically in a giveaway. But this is supposed to be a next generation gel balm tint blush. It's set to what? I'm sorry, you guys. A tint blush is set to shake up and refresh your beauty routine. Gone are the days of chalky powder blush. Okay, with an ultra lightweight finish, leaves a subtle hint of color that you apply to the cheek, blending effortlessly into a modern glass-like sheen. I'm all about K-beauty, but I could get glassy on my own. Formulated with natural extracts of yuzu and dragon fruit, the blush brightens your base, leaving skin with an even and healthy flush of color. $22 going in a giveaway. It seems kind of small to be full size. I wonder if that's full size. I'm not really sure, but this is going to be going in a giveaway for sure. Then the last item is the La Palette Beauty Vitaglow Fresh Cleanser. This one-step vitamin C cleanser helps to brighten skin while removing debris and makeup. A jelly-like formula, it contains 88% moisturizing essence to keep your skin hydrated. This retails for $32. This will be going in a giveaway just because I have like 5 or so cleansers, because typically before my Boxy Charm, I was stocking up on cleansers. Now all of a sudden I'm getting cleansers and I don't need any more. So this is going to go in a giveaway. So overall rating on this month's last Boxy Charm Premium. I have to say, honestly, I wasn't thrilled. I wasn't thrilled with this month's box. I have to give it a 3 out of 5 stars. I'm not keeping 3 items. Granted, I have another 3s. I'm keeping half of the box. But with what I did get, like, I don't know. I have so many cleansers. I don't like cream products, which they have this quiz, so they should know. And because I've answered every question. I'm an oily skin. I don't want cream. I don't want this. I don't want that. I wish I was a lipstick girl, but I'm not. But that's okay. So, I mean, you know, it is what it is. You win some, you lose some, but I wasn't thrilled. 3 out of 5 stars for me. That wraps this month's video, you guys. This month's Boxy Charm, the last one, the last premium before next month. You guys, I will keep you posted. You will see in next month's videos what's going to happen. Am I going to like it? Am I not going to like it? You're going to get all those details. But stay tuned for that, because choice is on April 2nd, I believe. Once we transition over to Ipsy, that's when they do the choices and whatnot. So, and it's supposed to be mid-March. We're supposed to be getting all this info to get over onto Ipsy. Nothing yet. So we'll see. Fingers crossed. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like. It helps me out a lot. Leave your comments down below on any questions you may have. Any comments. I love reading them. I love replying to all of them. And if you have not already and you made it this far in the video, please sting that subscribe button. Come join my little beehive here with me. Help me pollinate my videos on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, your mom, your brother, your mother, your sister, your aunt, your grandma, your sister. I don't know. But yeah, hopefully I will catch you guys in my next one.